Hi everyone, thanks for joining us for Family Makes today. I'm Sharon and let's get started on our really awesome St. Patrick's Day paper craft. We're going to be making some paper shamrocks today. So I have this all set up to make it easy for myself to find. So there's 1, 2, 3, move these over a little bit here. 1, 2, 3 sets of 2 pieces of 8-inch strip paper. 1, 2, 3 sets of 6-inch strips of paper, and then this 1 4-inch piece of cardstock. Alrighty, so we're gonna take our 6-inch papers and we're gonna sandwich them together so that the non-printed side and the non-printed side are together. We're gonna make sure they're about as even as we can, and we're going to staple them closed to that end. And then we're going to take them and fold them into a heart shape like that. Make sure it looks good there. Like that. And then we're going to staple that too. Okay. We're going to do that with these sets as well. Sandwich them together, staple, then fold them into a heart shape, and staple, and do the same with this one. This guy seems like he might be a little bit longer. It's okay if they're not perfect. And if you get some that are really too long, like that one is, all you need to do is just find your scissors and trim them up to match. And staple. Ta-da! So now we have 1, 2, 3 small hearts. What we're going to do next is take our bigger pieces of paper. If I can pick them up, that's the thing. We're going to sandwich these guys together. And we're actually going to take this guy, our smaller heart, put it right down the middle and actually sandwich heart inside the pieces of paper like that, and staple those together. We'll be using a good bit of staples in this particular craft, and then we'll go together and form those guys into a heart like that, so that they're hearts that are double, and staple those together. Ta-da! So you have a double heart. We're going to do that with the other ones. And if you don't have, the paper is, it's just a selection of different colors of green paper that I just happen to have here in the Idea Factory. So you can kind of use whatever you like, and the paper does not have to match. In fact, I think it is better visually if it doesn't match. So don't worry if the paper in your kit doesn't match. Make sure those are nice and even. Staple those, bring them together in a heart up at the top. And staple that. There we go. Our next heart. Last one. And here we go. My one trick is holding everything steady because I don't have the world's steadiest hands, but that's okay. It's a pretty forgiving craft, really. Here we we go. Last staple on the hearts. There we go. So now we have 3 hearts, and I want to arrange them in a way that sort of looks like a shamrock. I think that looks pretty shamrocky. So now I've got this strip here, and what we're gonna do is this is gonna be the bottom of our shamrock, and we can put everybody in here. And see, I've got 2 on one side, and because there's 3 of them, one of them's gonna have to go. So 2 on one side, 1 on the other, and line them up just like that. And then we're gonna do 2 staples. Oops, look at that, dropped one. We're gonna do 2 staples in this so that it holds it together. So I do 1 on each side, 1 there, and 1 there so that it holds it. You can see this is already starting to look a bit like a shamrock. What we want to do is trim up the bottom a little bit so that it matches. Again, it's not a big deal if it doesn't, but we want it to look really pretty. And we're going to cut it a little bit shorter. And then here's the part where we're going to make it look like a shamrock, okay? We're going to very carefully staple it together so that the hearts hold together right there and right there. You can make snowflakes like this, and you have 6 of them instead of 3 in the wintertime. And finally, so that's looking pretty shamrocky. What I want to do is bend these guys down just like that and staple it there and there, and then our shamrock will be finished. In fact, let's just get that done. And there. So here we are. Here is our paper shamrock. Now when you look at it from the top, you're going to see all those really cool colors of the paper that we used. And when you look at it from the side, you can see the pattern of the different hearts and things that we have going on. If you wanted to display it, you could hang it like this. It's a little weighty though. I'm not sure if I would hang it or not, but you could set it upright somewhere, that kind of thing. Anyway, I think it's a really fun and festive St. Patrick's Day craft. I like that it has hearts in it, and I also like that it's green, which is my favorite color. So hopefully you guys try out making the paper shamrocks. They're pretty easy. You should have most of the stuff at your house, and if not, stop by the Idea Factory. I have more paper. All right, guys, until I get to see you again, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep making. Have a great day. Bye.